Hello everyone. This is just in case I'm not there right at the beginning of the meeting. I think I will be. You're going to do two things. The first thing you're going to do is complete the review and practice test. So you're going to do that first. I'm going to show it to you. Then I'm going to work through all of the problems. That's going to be a separate video. So you do the work first, and then I'll solve them all, and you will look at the solutions and see what you got right and what you got wrong. Now, I won't see you again until Friday, so you have to show up to class on Friday. Specifically, at 8:55 a.m., you must show up to class. 8:55 a.m. on Friday, you must be in class. Say it with me. 8:55 a.m. on Friday, you must be in class. You're going to do the review and the practice test first, or what you can do is the review, watch me work through the problems, then the practice test, watch me work through the problems, and then come Friday at 8:55 a.m. to class with questions ready to ask. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to go to Schoology, and you're going to go into Unit 1. So in Unit 1, you are going to open the Unit 1 review. That's right here in the middle. It's black. And you're going to open the assignment that says Unit 1 Review. There's the problems that you're going to need to do. So you're not doing all of the problems, just some of them. View the attachment, and then you're going to press the send it arrow, and you're going to send it to Notability. And once you're in Notability, I want you to go through and highlight the problems that you need to do. I've already done it, so if you would just want to follow along and highlight with me, that'll work. So if there's anything that you just need to review, this is great. It puts everything we did in just a nice little package. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11. Ooh. Don't do 11. I was kidding about that one. Don't do 11. 14, 15. 16. You've never done anything like 16 before, so it must be on the review for a reason. I'm winking. 23, 24, 25. And that's it. So you're going to do those first. Then check your answers against my answers, and then you're going to do the practice test, and there's only 6 questions, 1 through 4, and then 7 and 8. Then you'll check your practice test against my practice test, and then I'll see you Friday at 8:55 a.m. in the class, so that I can give you a couple more little pointers. You're taking your test next Wednesday. It's a long time between Friday and Wednesday. So you have to show up Friday at 8:55 a.m. in our WebEx. Go ahead and review this if you want to mark down the questions you're supposed to do. Do the review, and then open the video that says Review Solutions.